In this video, I'm going to show you guys how can you check Facebook page password. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once you're over here, you're going to find different section. You'll also find the option of account center over here. You'll need to click on that. Make sure you haven't switched to any Facebook page. Ensure you are in your Facebook profile. If you're using Facebook page, you will need to switch to your Facebook account. For that, click on this option, switch profiles and select your Facebook profile. Once you do that, you're going to find the option of account center. Click on that. Your Facebook page and your Facebook account has same password. Now click on the option password and security. Click on the option change password. Click on your Facebook username. As if right now you cannot view your Facebook password, but you are able to change it. This way you will know your password. So you can type in your current password and type in the new password for your Facebook. In case you have forgotten it, you can reset it. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can see your Facebook page password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.